up everybody, welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to install a 600-piece fiber optic Starlight headliner kit in Tyler's 2017 Chevy Silverado. Before we get into the install, I want to thank everybody that is subscribed. This channel has been steadily ticking up in the YouTube analytics and I've just reached the 1,000 subscriber monetization mark. So expect more regular uploading, and if you're not subscribed I would really appreciate it. Anyway, here's the kit. It's got a controller with a bunch of different colors and modes. There's also a downloadable app for your phone that has even more options to customize the lights. If you don't know what these things are or how they work, they're basically a bunch of thin plastic strands or fibers that allow light to travel from one end of the strand to the other. The light box gets connected to one end of the strands, and that's what supplies the light and also all the different modes and twinkle effects. As for powering the light box, it uses a standard 12-volt cigarette lighter plug, but later down the road, me and Tyler plan on hooking it up to his Rock light controller. That way his Starlight headliner kit and his Rock lights are all powered on by one controller. Now we're going to get to work on removing the headliner on this 2017 Silverado. It's actually not as bad as you think, especially since it doesn't have a sunroof. Hard. If you are installing one of these Starlight headliner kits and you have a sunroof, you want to make sure that the sunroof, whenever it slides back, it does not make any contact with the headliner. Because if it does, it can make contact with the fiber optics and damage them. We're about 1 hour in, and we finally got the headliner disconnected. Whoopsies. Sorry, neighbors.
You're not going to have all this done.
Oh,
I promise you, you won't. I will give you $1,000 if you get it done.
Tonight?
Yes.
You gonna shake on that motherfucker?
Putting all 600 holes in it and gluing them all in.
Yeah.
No way.
I'm gonna go buy me a Rebel with a can-do attitude, motherfucker.
You're gonna you won't. You can't even get it done, even if you stay up all night.
That
So
way
what?
a little bit, because it's gotta go like
I
this.
think this end's got to go up.
Yep.
Holy hell, this is gonna be impossible. This is not gonna work.
Hold on. We're not quitters.
We're gonna have to cut this thing in half.
We are.
All right. Get closer.
Okay, now basically all this is gonna be on your side.
Yeah.
I'm gonna flip clear over here. Ooh.
Kind of bending in the back. I don't think it's. Okay, there we go. We got it. Yeah.
Alright, come over your side. Y'all ain't ready for this. Ain't that bitch out like I did on that girl the other day.
Yeah.
Let's
There we
go.
Alright, so we're actually at Tyler's place and he got the headliner done. He's got it all wired up and everything, and we just got to throw it back into the truck. We had a bet that you would get this done in 12 hours, and here it is, what, 2 or 3 days later?
Yeah.
So Tyler owes me $1,000. How long did this actually take you, like full on work?
Okay, so it's kind of a complicated question. I think by myself I spent 3.5 hours, but I had 3 other people come over and help me, and it took us another 3 hours.
So by yourself, it'd probably take you like, what do you think, 10 hours total?
Probably.
If you guys are doing a kit like this, again, this is 600 lights. We're just talking about putting in each individual little strand here. They're just like a little plastic strand, drilling the hole, and what you said you used like some kind of push pin or something to do that. You said that worked really well.
One of these guys. And they were used for like hanging stuff on a wall.
Pretty much marked it in 6 sections, and then what did you do, like 125?
Yeah, so 125, 125, 50, 50, 125, 125.
And just use hot glue to glue them in. And on the back side here, you left what, like some of them was like 12 inches.
Yeah, I would say
But
just 6
I mean,
inches is
yeah,
enough.
but we clearly have enough room here. We're planning on routing the whole wiring to the left side here where the driver's side is, down that A-pillar, and hopefully we can find a little spot down underneath the dash to where we can mount that light box. Took us about 10 minutes to get in just because we didn't want to really crease anything. We were trying to be extra careful, but we put it in the exact way we pulled it out. So in reverse order, we put it in basically like this, long ways. And once we get the top end right there to go through that door, we can kind of rotate it in like this, put the steering wheel down, and then lift it up. As you see, we got the lights going to that pillar right there. Like I said, we're gonna run it down there.
loose, I guess?
No, we can tighten it. But I've tightened it before. I guess it came loose again. It says it's got power. Oh, where's the remote? Oh, it's on.
Huh?
Can't even tell. It's on, but you can't really tell right now.
Oh, yeah. I can see the though.
Oh, you already chopped the ends of it?
Yeah, they wanted to see it real bad.
I say you just leave it like this. Like, don't cut the ends.
Well, I won't cut the ends right now.
I know, but I'm just saying don't ever cut the ends. It's kinda
Rip,
cool.
rip anyone that sits in the back. How's that feel? Having that in your fucking face the entire time.
All right, guys, so it's the next day. Tyler went ahead and cut all the strands and everything. That's what it's looking like right now. It's looking pretty good. There's a bunch of different modes and everything. Just hit a few of those colors.
Alright, so we'll go red, green, blue, whatever that color is.
Some other kind of blue.
And it's
That's
also
cool.
got an app, so that has a color wheel on it, and you can make it any color of the rainbow on the app on my phone, and you can change it all from there too.
And then you said also something with the music. It can like,
Yeah, it actually can connect. So if you have any music downloaded on your phone, you can actually connect to this, and this will beat to the music.
I was a little bit worried about the tan headliner, just it kind of showing the tan. This light's on out here. You really can't tell whenever it's fully dark outside that the headliner's actually tan. It just looks black. I think it was a good move not spraying the headliner black just to save us the work, because this did take Tyler a lot of time to poke all these holes and everything. So Tyler actually put a little Easter egg in here, and he didn't want to put it somewhere where you're gonna see it every time you walk in. You wanted to make it kind of hidden. So if you pull down the passenger visor, you get a little constellation right there.
That's probably my favorite part.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yep, but that's pretty much going to be it for this video. I know it was kind of short, but most of the work was done kind of off camera, and it was kind of just the tedious stuff of gluing and cutting and all that. I hope that gives you guys an idea of how long it's going to take and if it's really worth it. I think it's worth it.
If you do it with like 3 other people helping you, by the way, poking the holes and putting the strands through and all that, it really doesn't take that long. I think it'd take you maybe a couple hours to do it with a couple people helping you. Well, but if you're doing it by yourself, I would definitely do it over a week's time, just here and there, because if you try to do it all at once, you're gonna go nuts.
I know there's cheaper kits out there. They're like $50 or whatever, and this one was like $200. I'll link the exact kit that Tyler got down in the description. But anyways, guys, hope you like this video, and more truck mods are coming, so make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you like the video. Thanks.